forever.
Yes. Oh my God.
See? It's fine. She's good to me. She treats me well.
No.
When you in front-wheel drive cars, in that case, I would have done a full 360, or a 180, but it's fine.
The one thing I actually hate my car in snow.
Okay.
I hate it.
Was the Kia better?
Only because I knew how to drive it.
Okay.
My car doesn't handle well in snow at all.
Okay. Maybe it's the wheelbase? It's longer than the Kia?
I'm not sure. But I do what you just did, the sliding thing, all the time.
Okay.
And with like this down, I'm hoping that it's better plowed tomorrow for me to get to Enfield because it'll take me forever to get there.
Well, these guys are going to plow all night. The state guys.
Yeah.
I think if you take 9189 to here, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
But to be honest, if I were going to work tomorrow, I'm sleeping till noon.
Well, I would like to, but one of us has to go to templating.
I know.
But then I'm getting home and putting on pajamas and getting back into bed.
Of course. Side of the road. Go for it, man. I just don't hit the brakes. You get some gas. Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
Trust the car, Ellen.
I don't trust the driver.
Did you see how that worked out for us though? It's like I can't reckon this thing.
Let's not test that theory.
But no, really, if I start to fall on the road, I just give some gas and it's fine. It's a track skill.
Understood, but
You point your wheels in the direction you want to go, and you get some gas. But it's so low.
Go.
laughing.
This is not fun for Heather.
My biggest fear is you dropping the paint on the floor.
I will drop it if you bust us up.
Hey, Domino's still delivering, Heather.
Shut up. Oh my god.
Oh, let's just turn on sport mode.
No, we don't. Adam, stop. Adam!
Yeah.
Stop!
Okay.
You're really gonna piss me off.
That's having fun.
I don't know why you think that's not gonna get me to yell at you.
But we got 4 lanes.
I don't
I could have done a 360 and nothing
There's
would have happened.
Domino's in front of us. You can hit them.
No, I couldn't have. I wasn't moving very fast.
Adam, please don't fuck around. I'm so tired.
Well, then just lay down and go.
No, that's not gonna happen if you're driving like a dickhead. God, I sound like such a bitchy girlfriend right now. But you're driving like an asshole.
Actually, lost no on the ground. He's keeping his distance.
Yeah, as he should. The fact that you're passing people is a little absurd.
I was passing you when it's snowing.
It's dumb. You slip and you fall into them and it's your fault.
Well, I can't monitor this video though because there's David Bowie playing.
That matters?
Yeah, if you have copyright music playing in the background, you can't monetize your video. You gotta play like 5 seconds of it at most, and then it gives all the money to the copyright holder for plays. So every time someone watches it, they make like a cent. Well, they took the golf Lawrence, the full wagon. So I can have engine braking down the hill. Engine braking is more efficient than actual braking because braking will cause the rear tires to lock up. Guy gets paid extra for snow days.
Doubt it.
Do they still have like a 20 minutes or less guarantee, or is that like from the 90s? So I'm thinking like it'd be great to like order it during a snowstorm and then, hey buddy, took you 30 minutes. Yeah, but there's 4 inches of snow on the ground. Nah, I'm paying it. Sorry.
I don't know. You're gonna have to look it up. The shit that you talk about sometimes. Jesus. I just want to see.
This is one of the most, this song seems so racist now. Not only is it called China Girl, but there's this great like very 70s quote Oriental music playing. It actually bothers me. Like,
with me and I will put paint in your car.
It's okay on the WeatherTech mats.
No, I'm gonna aim it straight for that.
What? I think it's like $2,000.
Yep.
Oh, fun fact though, this system is just the screen. The actual computer's in the glove box.
Well, wouldn't it suck to have paint on the screen?
Well, yes, it would.
Thank
but
you.
I'm just saying that like the
I have 5 paintbrushes at my disposal right now.
We're on the same insurance. If I make a claim, that affects your coverage, your calls too.
Well, don't put me in the position where you're gonna have to make a claim. Adam? You're driving in the snow.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it gets all up in my wheel well, those cool like everything else.
Can we not do that? Seriously, they plow for a reason. It's not for you to then drive in the snowbank. I do want to drive this thing up ahead of us though.
Yeah, there's a sidewalk cleaner. Should we catch up to it?
No! Stop! I'm gonna start turning into a whiny awful girlfriend. Do not say turning into.
Your conversion is nearly complete.
I'm glad you painted a single closet. God damn it, the pantry's not painted.
Nope, it's not. It is not painted. We forgot the pantry.
You did make good on my promise though, with the exception of that one closet, you didn't paint any walls.
I painted the stairs.
Shit. You're right. I claim a shower first. Adam,
What?
please don't fuck
What?
with me.
I'm not fucking with you. I'm having fun. Hey, it's your car.
We're having a terrible time.
It's a nice white, actually.
Well, actually, do any of the FELs come in all-wheel drive?
No, the S comes in all-wheel drive and manual. If you don't look almost like the very practical people get manual and all-wheel drive, and those who want luxury or comfort don't get those.
Which is weird because most of VW's cars are all-wheel drive.
No, I think it's market research. Well, not the all-wheel drive part, but the manual part makes sense because people want to pay extra for automatic.
Yeah, I get that part, but the all-wheel drive part, it's a German car.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's too close in price to the all-track, so they got rid of it. They knew the all-track was coming.
Alright there, buddy. You do it every time.
We didn't slide, though.
Campus Suburban Propane is still going around.
Maybe it's emergency fills only because we're cranking that heat and...
Yeah.
But all the
They
companies,
definitely get paid extra for working
But all-
overtime and on a snowy day.
but all the companies do emergency fills, right?
I think so.
What's this up here?
Adam,
Alright, I won't hit it. Only because my fucking oil pan has already been scraped in the ground a few times. And I don't want to damage the plastic fender.
whatever reason you need.
It is hard to be a saint in the city. We've only averaged 15 miles per gallon since we left. That's probably because the idle for half an hour though. buy a place.
No.
Not in this timeline.
Correct. I'm assuming wherever they're moving is not a year lease.
Well, Robert's out open. That's not. That wasn't a joke. Robert will rent to them. This car is so low. I'm plowing.
I'm sorry. Who told you when you said, I'm going to lower this car? Who said, but we get snow? And you said, but there are plows for a reason. Yes, there are. Can we please note, plows have been out all night long, and you're still scraping the fucking ground.
The snow that's only an inch thick, I'm plowing for them.
And then you factor in fucking frost heaves and potholes,
Well,
and
yeah.
you are completely fucked.
Well, no, now that we're living in infield, though, it won't be as big of a deal.
It is a big deal.
Can I just give it a low gas, please?
No.
Come on.
Adam.
It's like I'm warning you this time.
Adam. I don't want to play that game.
It's not a game.
It is a game.
I take little joys in life.
It is a game. You have many joys in life. You say you only have a
I'm gonna plow
few.
this thing.
Jesus. Adam. Oh my God. Get me out of here.
Honestly.
Yes.
Look, please. I'm being abducted. I paid for a tour of Hanover and I'm getting the worst.
We'll be home in probably 20 minutes if Adam says it'll actually be 10 minutes. We got this. Dad's plowing. I swear to God, I will kill you if you don't kill me first. He can't drive safely.
Yes, I can. We're fine.
Oh, God.
We've been on a few close calls.
Alright.
We're going to speed limit now.
We don't need to go the speed limit. Oh my God. Goodbye.
I'll go back to sport mode.
No.
Well, I was in manual mode. Now we're back into sport mode.
I almost guarantee you that she says that she and Grant are moving into Grant's parents' house, but we'll see.
I need to save another 50 grand for whatever they want to do.
I don't know.
We need, I wish we had good internet here, because I would play Saxman for the rest of the drive home.
My own personal hell.
I
I don't need you to sing it. Okay, keep your fucking hands on the steering wheel.
I was playing Sax.
I don't care. You're supposed to be driving.
Vermonters get those plates? I've never seen one in stores. Do they get them in the mail, like as a part of the DMV?
I don't know. I also don't know what it means.
They're really strong at mapling. There's a fuckload of snow out.
Yeah.
Look how much they found already.
Actually, it must be an apartment because she said March 1st.
Right, they would have a date.
Right.
I would imagine Bruce will get in there, right?
Yes. His transmission was fucked yesterday, so he rented a backhoe as a backup.
Oh, wow. I guess he has to take
But
his
Shannon took a picture of him in his truck, so she said it's about to be a long night.
Because he has a contract, so he has to have a vehicle.
Yeah,
right?
he said he didn't plow yesterday after the couple of inches that we got, and he got complaints from all the condo HOA loving freaks.
Which, to be honest, though, if he has condos he's doing it for, he can afford a new transmission. I guess it's just the downtime. It's not that he can't afford it, it's just the downtime, right?
Right. And as he said, part of the issue was he had a low
Was it doing with Tim's truck?
Basically, but his never does that. So he was hoping that the new fluid, once it kind of settled in or whatever it needed to do, would fix the issue. Because it is the downtime. He couldn't have had his truck in a garage on a Sunday.
Right. No, of course not.
But her mommy is yelling no, and her daddy has told her to go, but her friend is nowhere to be seen. Now she walks through the sunken dream.
It means you have to press the left
nearest view, and she's hooked to the silver screen. But the bill is a sad report.
Going for it. Oh, pretty good.
Well, she's lived it 10 times or more. She could spend till the eyes are closed as they ask her to roll the song to sing. Lighting in the dance hall.
Baby plow.
What's that?
State plow. You can tell they've done this side. They haven't done that side in a while.
Yeah. Ah, sucker.
I would rather be behind a plow.
That's because you're Mrs. Safety.
I'm just saying.
I gotta send a text real quick. Hold on.
Hey! Stop being on your phone! We're in the middle of a fucking blizzard.
Heather, hold on. Hold on. There we go. This song is over. I have the next song lined up.
It's on the America's tortured brow. Mickey Mouse has grown on the cow. Now the workers have struck for fame. His lemons on sale again. See the mice in their million hordes.
The main concern would be that a car has extra confidence because it was just loud.
Right. Well, I'm running out the gas at the hill. It turns.
Yeah. I was talking about the other people. You always have too much confidence in knowing it doesn't matter if it's loud or not.
That's because I'm confident in my place in life.
He has confidence in sunshine. He has
Plus, he's more at risk because it turns from the right. I'm more likely to stop sliding to his left.
I know.
What about the skin on?
mente não faz questão e nem tem forças pra obedecer. Quantos sonhos já te destruí e deixei escapar das mãos. Se o futuro assim permitir, não pretendo viver em vão. Meu amor não estamos sós, tem um mundo a esperar por nós. O infinito do céu azul pode ter vida em Marte, então a sua lua não vem, quero abraçar você.
Way faster than half an hour. You told your mom, I think. Right?
Se eu poder vem do sol, minha medida. Talvez viver a vida, ou talvez se não perder quem sou.
I told her 20 minutes.
Oh, 12, right?
Arruma lá e
I guess if your dad's phone is making a difference because he's going to bring his way anywhere.
Well, she said he's close to done.
But truthfully, though, when I was driving your car the other day, I feel like your car probably couldn't go 50 in this. I don't really know what the difference is.
My car does very poorly in snow. I hate it.
It's either the all-wheel drive system or the wheelbase.
It's the only time I hate my car. Is in the middle of a storm.
Maybe it's the tires.
I don't know. The back wheels spin a lot, and I know that it's because it's front-wheel drive, but
unfortunately, the all-tracks were just too expensive. I mean, not just the price of them, but the markup was ridiculous.
yeah, I mean, I guess the only thing would be if next year I see an all-track for a pretty good deal that had a similar real mileage situation.
Because right now you're not under all yours. It's actually worth more than you know.
It's probably even, given my Kia thing.